Is your audio too loud, distorted, or peaking into the red? Today, I'm going to show you two super simple ways to reduce the volume and save your audio in Adobe Audition. Let's get started. First, open your loud audio file in the waveform editor. Method 1 is the fastest visual adjustment. Look for the small volume knob that appears right on top of your audio waveform. This is the volume heads-up display. Simply click and drag this knob to the left or down to reduce the volume. You'll see the waveform get smaller, showing that the audio is now quieter. But what if your audio is clipping and you want to bring it down to a specific, safe level? That's where Method 2 is perfect, using the Normalize effect. First, select your entire audio clip by pressing Ctrl+A. Now, go to the top menu and select Effects. Go down to Amplitude and Compression and choose Normalize Process. A window will pop up. To make your audio a safe, standard level, type in -3 dB. This guarantees your audio's loudest peak will not go above this level. Now, just click Apply. Audition brings the volume down to a safe and professional level. So now you know a quick way to lower volume visually and a professional way to normalize it. If this essential tip helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more audio rescue tips.